So in this video, we will create our first Python program. Now to do this, we need a programming environment. There are different environments that we can use, or we can even install some software. But I like to use things which are online. So we're going to use something called REPL. REPL is an online programming environment where we can write our code and build our programs. So let's start by opening up a browser, and you type in REPL, so REPL.IT. You can see it loads up the REPL screen. Now in front of you, you can see there's a box there where we could choose a language. The language that we're going to focus on is Python 3. So you go ahead and select Python 3. And now you can see it loads up this new window. Now over here we have three parts to this. On the left hand side we have the files that make up our project. In the middle we have our editor window where we can write our code. And on the right side we have our terminal window where we can display stuff. So when we run our program, anything that should be displayed will be displayed in that terminal window there. So we will start by creating our very first program. It's a simple program that will display the words hello world in the terminal window. Now to do this, we need to use a function that is part of the Python library, and that function is the print function. We can use this function to display text on the screen. So let's go ahead and use this. First, we're going to type the word print. Now you will notice as I type the word print, it is displayed in blue. And this is a way of indicating that it is a key word. Next, we need to type a bracket, open a quote, and then write our message. So our message is hello world. So we type the word hello, followed by the word world, and then we close our quote and then close the bracket. So what we have here is a simple line that says print, open bracket, open quote, hello world, close quote, close the bracket. Now if I hit the run button, you can see it displays the words hello world in the console window. And there you go, we have our very first Python program, and that was quite a simple program. Let's say we want to display multiple lines. Well, if we want to do that, we can quite simply write another print statement. So let's give that a try. Let's say I want to display the message, how is everything? So it's a question. So we can write print, open bracket, open quote, how is everything, close the quote, close the bracket. So now I have two print statements. The first one to display the words hello world, and the second one to display a question, how is everything? So we can press the play button again, and there you go, you can see it displays both lines. So there we have it. We now have two print statements, which when we hit the run button, displays both messages in the console window. But that's not the only thing that we can do with the print function. The print function allows us to format the data and even present other things. But one creative thing we could do with the print function is even create pictures. Now the type of pictures I'm talking about are called ASCII art. This is where you use normal characters which when printed together form a shape or even a picture. So let's give this a try. Let's say I want to draw this face over here. Now you notice about this face over here is actually it consists of lots of different characters. So for example, we use the asterisks for the eyes, we use dashes for the size of the head, and even some stars for the hair. So if I write out this code over here and hit the run button, you can see it displays the face. And that brings us to the end of this video. Today we learnt about how we could use a print function to display text on the screen. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to check out some of my other videos. Thanks for watching. In the next session, we will look at how we can combine the print function with an input function and create something a bit more sophisticated. So do join me then.